Shalom, everybody. This is Rabbi Yecheskel Yosef Abulafia reporting live in the Berea Forest right outside of Sfat. I wanted to talk about talking to God. Last video that I posted was about bringing out your inner child and just going out there and doing what you can do. Speak to him as your father, your creator, your lover, your best friend. And sometimes, you just come out there and you don't know what to say, what to do. Maybe you're just confused and lost. That's the perfect time to go talk to God. Every single day you should talk to the Creator. Every day, no matter rain or shine, no matter how you're feeling, sad, happy, mad, it's all the same. You have to just talk to God. Talk to Him. Open up your heart. It's super healing to be able to just collect your thoughts. And not only that, take it off your shoulders and give it to Him, because He will solve all your problems. He literally hides within the challenge for a reason. He puts you in the challenge so you could find Him. And it's difficult because when you're in the moments, it's hard to think. It's hard to really just wow, this is really happening because God is doing this and there's a reason to it. So the way that you come to this realization is by speaking to Him. Speak it out. Tell Him what you're going through. The camera's shaking because of all the beautiful winds coming through. And there are times when you can't speak at all. And I've been there. I was there yesterday. And, it's some days are harder than others. And some days you just can't say anything. And that's when you pick up a sefer. You pick up a book, a holy book, of course, connected to Torah, because it shouldn't be any book. A book, this book specifically, it's called The Gentle Weapon, and it's from Rabbi Nachman's teachings. And it's about speaking to God. And there are books on this. There's also the book of Tehillim, Psalms, where you could just open that up, look at one verse. And you could look at the verse and use that as a springboard. This is one of my favorites. I usually use when, I'm a loss for words. I don't know what to say. And I'm just still there trying to connect. So I'm going to read a few of these to just give you a feeling. And, I'm not making any money off of this. Here, it's called The Gentle Weapon. You could order it on Amazon. This is going to help you. It's helped me in so many times in distress, so many times where I was lost and confused, and I just needed a springboard. I needed something to just help me. I was going out and meeting with God, but then I want to make it meaningful, even though I'm not feeling so good at that moment, So I'm going to read a few of these. Dear God, open my eyes to see the countless amazing miracles you perform for me constantly. Open my mind to understand that what appears to be the natural order of things is in true miraculous in every way. Your guiding hand directs and empowers me in everything I do. These are, in a sense, a type of affirmation, but through the Torah. Here's another one. Open my eyes, O God, to the marvels that surround me. Show me the wonder of each breath I take, of every thought and word and movement that I make. Let me experience the miracles of the world I witness, ever mindful and always appreciative of all that you have. So these are all lessons taken from Likutei Moharan 1:9. Those two specifically. Let's read another one. God of unfathomable goodness, the history of human agony haunts my soul. Ashes, blood, and cries pierce my heart. Diabolic schemes of oppressors plague my mind. Grant me an extra measure of strength, understanding, and faith to help me find you, to discover your light mist and to discover your light mist and the blinding dread through the revolving horror. That's the Kunti Moran 1 250. That one's intense. That's like basically seeing the light in the darkness, like the Holocaust or October 7th, or the world's a pretty crazy place. So that one was very powerful. Here's one more. God of truth, help me sort through the dizzying confusion of my life. My mind swirls with all that I've seen, all that I've read, and all that's happened to me. Teach me to focus, to prioritize, to see the clarity so that I can move on with my life. That's Likutei Moharan, Book 1, 15. So, this is an amazing springboard. You could do that with any sefer, basically. Just take a Torah book. You could even do it with a Parsha. There's always something that you could just take a verse and then use it to speak to God. So give it a try. And I wish you great success, Hatzlacha, in connecting to the King of the universe, to see these miracles that are always there in your life, and to see miracles beyond nature. We're getting ready for prophecy. It's coming back. But the only way that we could bring it back is with the help of our Creator. And prophecy, by the way, isn't just seeing the future. It's about being connected with your divine highest self, with the Creator of the universe, being co-creators. And it's when you're in prophecy, it's a type of ecstasy, and it's an experience that we haven't experienced because it hasn't been in the world for quite a while, since the temple days. So something to look forward to. Connect, and I wish you all success in all your endeavors. Message me, like, share, subscribe, and follow my you could join my free online community, which is nas.io/Abulafia meditation, where we have a WhatsApp that we're constantly talking about these amazing holy conversations and having discussions on these holy topics. God willing, there will be many more events. And if you're interested in setting up an event with your community, reach out to me. Much love, one love, and we will see each other soon. God willing, peace and harmony.